So we decided to go with Coates because we here at Royal Tire and Wheel, we believe that Coates does offer the best product out there. Hi, I'm Edward Saga, the sales manager here for Royal Tire and Wheel, located on Long Beach, California. What we focus here is we do custom wheels, tires, total auto care from brake jobs, alignments, suspension work, and custom lift kits. So we have here the APS 3000 where we definitely want to take care of your wheels and tires, especially mounting those bigger wheels, 18-inch all the way to 30-inch. We offer the best equipment, which is the APS 3000, so we won't have any problems of scratching your wheels. So the Coates system has been very great to us. It's been very efficient. All of our tire technicians here have not had any problem as far as using machines. It's pretty much self-explanatory, you could say, and obviously the Coates technicians, as far as helping us out, have been very helpful as far as teaching us a step-by-step. So as far as using the Coates equipment, it's been the best as far as we've experienced. That's why I say Coates is the best equipment. We've had our Coates balance machine for the past 20 plus years, and it has not given us problems. So far, it's been great to us. It's been pretty much our workhorse as far as balancing the wheels to make it a perfect balance. Everything's been great as far as everyday use, and we haven't had any problems or any type of issues with it.